Many of you woke up this morning, leapt out of the bed and go, oh, I can't wait to sit for 3 hours just to hear a guy from Kentucky with the draw. I'm going to give you 5 questions that every decision maker needs to have the answers to before he or she can feel comfortable in making a decision.
Find the ability to talk with people, not as an authority, but as an information source. When you care about people, they care about you in return, but they also care about the job they do for you because they want to make you proud. Because as we help people with their needs through care and compassion, we're actually helping them help us. It is your job to communicate effectively.
The single most important question a leader can ask a follower is, what do you think? A leader should never ask that question unless he or she is fully prepared to listen to the answer with an open mind and a considerate spirit. Do your job. As a leader in this industry and in your organization, it's your responsibility to plan, to communicate, and to execute.
Talk with people. Not at people, not around people, not behind people, not down to people, not over people. Talk with people.